are sensory literacy and cultural competency related? It doesn't seem like they're related, but there are 3 senses that are mostly dealt with by occupational therapists that are directly related to emotional self-regulation. And one of those is our vestibular sense, or our sense of movement and balance. And another one of those is our proprioceptive sense, which is our sense of where we are in space. Because a lot of cultures will use movement and or dance to either process big emotions or as a form of prayer in communicating with their creator, or in terms of dealing with difficult stuff as a group, a lot of them will use dance. And so when children in your classroom are sort of moving around and trying to process their emotions through movement, if you understand sensory literacy, then sometimes that can help you understand that maybe that child is expressing their emotions in a way that is appropriate for their culture, which may be different from what you're used to. So sensory literacy can also be a form of cultural responsiveness. If you found this interesting, please feel free to like, share, and comment. Leave any questions that you have. I would love to answer them. And if you would like to learn more, then please click the link in the comments for my free training on sensory literacy in the classroom. Thank you so much, and please remember to mind your senses.